trying to get you to go crazy on a catnip toy, not the stick. They're teething too, so I know it feels pretty good. Alright, look. This is what you play with. Catnip mouse. He's got one over there too. But like I said, they're teething, so. And I'm using fishing line, fishing wire, whatever the fish use for the poles. It's 12 pound. It's like $1 something. So hopefully, much like some of the bass out there, hopefully they don't bust the line. I spoke too soon. Damn it. Cats, am I right? At least this one. He's got the sharpest claws. He's got more aggression. Yeah. Cats, am I right? Oh yeah, he's definitely gonna bust that line. He's eating on that line. But it's catnip, so. Do you want me to tie it back on for you, pendejo? He's tossed between the collar, which is new, and the mouse, which is also new. But he busted the line, so I try again. First time cat parent. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Y'all are on that shit. I swear. Catnip. Called a cat police on you. Ooh, I'm a two. Whatever. Enjoy, boys.